It's here. So the first thing we found, it is the manual. It is instruction manual, but we're not going to read it. So there is two things which I don't know what is it. Some ropes and our boat itself, and of course two pillow, one bag, in this boat you have three steps for getting this boat ready. The first, you have to blow air here, second one is here, and the third one is here. Okay, let's just start from this one. Using this pump is going to take a lot of time, but one of our videos we bought automatic pump. I'm going to use it now. Okay, this small pump is very powerful. Okay, the first one is ready, as you can see. So our next step is going to second and the third one. We are going to use again manual pump, but we have to be sure this lid is closed very tightly, other way we are going to sink. Okay, now our boat is ready to use. This bag is going inside it, and there is two little tube-like things. I think one is going here, the other one is going to here. I don't know why we have to use this, but I am going to use it as camera hold. I am to put my camera in it. So the last feet of this boat, this one, I forget the names.
Oar.
Oar, okay, it's oar. You can see there is connection part, and the one goes like this, and the other part is going here. Take this out if I can. Okay, I cannot take this out, so I am direct from here. Like this. Second one. Done. So it is ready to use. So we have to, right now we have to put it in the lake. Can you koymamıştım daha bakıyorum yani.